There are two situations. Only in these two situations inequality will change its directions. Let us understand those two situations. In that situation 1, see here. Let us say minus 3 is less than minus 2. You agree to this, right? Now, this is correct. Now, if I cancel the negative on both sides, then what do I get? I get 3 less than 2. Is it true? No, this is wrong. Why? You should not cancel negative in inequality. Clear? Now, instead what you can do is multiply with minus 1. So whenever you are multiplying with negative number in the inequality, inequality will change its direction. What I mean is, see, minus 3 into minus 1 is 3. Change this direction. Greater than minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Now this is true. Is the example clear? In inequality, if you are multiplying with a negative number, the inequality will change its direction. Another example, minus 5 is less than minus 4, true. Now, if I cancel the negative signs, I get 5 less than 4, this will be wrong. So in inequality, do not cancel the negative sign. Instead, what you can do is multiply with minus 1. So you are multiplying with a negative number, so the inequality will change its direction. What I mean is, minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. Change this direction, greater than minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. Now this is true. Okay. Another situation what you could do is shift these numbers. So minus 4 comes this side, 4 minus 5 goes to the other side, plus 5, even this also true. You could shift, but you should not cancel the negative numbers in inequality. If you are cancelling out, the inequality will change its direction. Okay. Another example, if minus x is less than 5, then if I multiply with minus 1 and I write x less than minus 5, it will be wrong. Okay. You are multiplying with the negative number. In an inequality, you are multiplying the negative number. Inequality direction you should change. Remember that. So this will become minus x into minus 1 is x. Change this direction. Greater than 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. This is true. Or what you could do is shift them. Shift this here and shift this here. Plus 5 shifted, it will become minus 5, minus x shifted, it will become x. Even this is also correct. Did you understand the difference? Next. Now for this one, let us say 5 less than minus x less than 25. Now, to get x, I should multiply with minus 1. When I am multiplying here, everywhere I should multiply. And if I write minus 5 less than x less than minus 25, this will be wrong. Okay. In inequality or multiplying with negative number, you should change the direction. Now the correct one will be minus 5, change this direction, greater than x, change this direction, greater than minus 25. So this will be our answer and this is correct. Clear? I am stressing on this. Inequality multiplying with negative number, the direction will change. Okay. Now we will look at second situation. Second situation, see this example. I know 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2. Accepted, right? Now, if I am doing reciprocal on both sides, means turning it upside down, I get 3 by 1 and here I get 2 by 1. Is it correct? No, it's not correct. So my point is, whenever you do the reciprocal upside down, the inequality will change its direction greater than 2 by 1. Now this is correct. Clear with my point? Second situation when inequality changes direction is whenever you are doing reciprocal, change inequality direction. Example 2. If I write 1 by 5 less than 1 by 2. Now I am doing reciprocal. So I get 5 less than 2, which is wrong. In inequality you are doing reciprocal, you should change the inequality direction. So 1 by 5 will become 5. Change this direction and 1 by 2 will become 2. Now this is correct. Am I clear with second situation? Now example 3. Here 1 by x to get x, I should do the reciprocal. Clear? See here. So here 2 by 1 it will become 1 by 2 and here 1 by 5. If I do not change the inequality, this will be considered wrong. Whenever you are doing reciprocal, you should change the inequality direction. What I mean is, see, this will now become 1 by 2. Change this direction greater than reciprocal x. Change this direction greater than 1 by 5 by 1 will become 1 by 5. This is correct. Clear with the second situation? If you are doing reciprocal, change inequality direction. So these are the two situations when the inequality change its direction. Simon, I think with this example I will make inequalities clear. See here. If I write 5 greater than 2, it's correct, right? Next, what am I doing is, if I add 1 on both sides, still correct, no change. Next, if I multiply by 2 on both sides, so 12 greater than 6, still correct, no change. If I subtract by 5, I get 7 greater than 1, still correct, no change. Clear? It will change only if I multiply with minus 1, then minus 7, change this direction and minus 1. Now it is correct. And if I do reciprocal to this one, 1 by 7, change the direction less than 1 by 1. Now also it is correct. Clear? In all this, it does not change. Only in these two situations, it changes its direction. Okay.